say sometimes, how do we start it? Is it Veni Vidi Vici? They saw and they conquered. But yesterday, it was annihilation. It was massacre, it was destruction. Unexpectedly, because the hope of a nation, the hope of a continent, the hope of a people, dependent on getting a result. But that has happened. It was just, everything went the way it shouldn't have gone. At the end of the day, it was Brazil 1. Yes, they scored. That is after Germany 7. My name is Ken Ochonogo, but we're not looking at that. We are looking at who will join them in the finals tomorrow. It has never happened since 1930 when the World Cup started, and the South Americans have been hosting. 1930, 1950, 1962, 1970, 78, 86, all the while from Uruguay to Brazil to Mexico to Argentina and back to Mexico, Chile in between. It has always been a situation where the South Americans will have a team in the final. But as it is, the Netherlands are a threat to that. Is it possible that for the very first time, it will be an all-European World Cup final? Do you see the Netherlands, the Orange, do you see them triumphing over Argentina? Somebody says yes, the other man says no. But then let me start from the man who says, why not? The Netherlands could do it. Harrison, how are you?
It's a pleasure being here. I'm fine.
And you believe we can have an all-Europe conquering in South America?
It's quite clear, crystal clear, that the finals we'll be seeing on Sunday is an all-European finals. I can tell you that for the first time, there's always a first time for everything. And for the first time, we'll be seeing two strong European nations, two footballing nations playing in the finals. And the South Americans will just sit there and watch. That's the beauty of it.
In Nigeria Palaces, they call it sit-down look. Is it going to be a situation where you are going to have Argentina playing Brazil for bronze? Theophilus.
Good afternoon. It's nice being here again. He said it's crystal clear, and I wonder what crystal ball he looked into that gave him that prediction. Argentina have, for the past 28 years, the last time they appeared in the final, and they won it. If they appeared in the final 24 years ago, that was in Italian 90. They got to the final, but they lost. What I'm trying to bring out here is they have never lost a semi-final game. All the semi-final games they played in, they've ended up winning all of them. Get to the final. Fine, they lost in 1930, they lost in 1990, like I stated earlier, but they have never lost a semi-final game. And today, they're trying to continue. I don't see the Dutch team stopping Lionel Messi and his boys.
Bella Gottman.
Bella Gottman.
Is it a Benfica thing? Is it Benfica effect? Are we looking at the Benfica effect here?
No. The truth remains that Argentina had come to prove that they can play good football. But the way it is right now, you cannot bring the kind of game they play. It's called courbe. Do you know what courbe is? You keep running around the ball.
And keep winning
against
matches.
Total football. The Dutch are here to play total football.
Total football.
You cannot bring courbe kind of football against
the
total
Dutch
football.
They've entered the final how many times? They went to the final 3 times.
Yes.
In 74, in 78, and
2010.
In 2010.
Yes.
And what happened? 3 times they were heartbreaks. So today they intend to do them a favor.
Who?
They will do them a favor. They will prevent them from entering the final to go and suffer another defeat again. It can't happen.
You know what, Theo?
Yes,
there's something I want you to understand here.
Yeah, which is?
I am here today just to enjoy myself.
Okay.
And let the viewers determine whatever goes on. But one thing is quite obvious.
Yeah.
The trend of the current World Cup is element of surprise. I just wanted to keep that one in your basket. Though it will leak out.
It's always been there.
But Holland is going to the finals.
Technically, do you see the Dutch team better than the Argentines?
Obviously, in all ramifications.
In what way?
We've seen a gang of players that call themselves Argentina, representing the nation of Argentina, that plays for some of the best clubs in the world, haven't lived up to expectation.
Okay.
But we've seen young men in the Dutch team, browning young men from the 20, giving their very best.
Before we came out, I was telling you something. I said the Argentine team are the only team that have not gone on to win any match by penalties. They've won all their games within the space of 120 minutes.
It is not an excuse.
They have some of the best attacking talents in this tournament.
So I agree with you. If you watch the number of goals they've scored.
The Argentine team so far has scored 8 goals
yes.
in the World Cup. Yes. But let's not forget that they've conceded only 3. Which makes them the team presently in the final 4 that have conceded the least number of goals.
So
to tell you that no matter the attacking firepower that the Dutch team will bring into tonight's game, they cannot crack that Argentine defense.
Are you saying the defense of Argentina is going to be a factor in this?
It will be a factor, not just the defense. It's Sergio Romero, their goalkeeper, who has been in blistering form.
He has not seen fire.
The thing is, how will you actually
go up against them?
The threat is when you go up against them.
Water. Today you will see fire from Arjen Robben.
Please. Arjen Robben will try.
All right. Before I bring in my gladiators again to moving on this, I want to ask you to join us at home. Forget about what happened yesterday. It does happen. But then let us look at today, what will happen today by 9 p.m. Nigerian time. Will it be the orange? Somebody said when they go to the final, it is back-to-back. 74-78, they played, they did it from Germany in 74 to Argentina, in 78. And then they came to Africa in 2010, and 4 years later now, they are knocking at that door and said, yes, can we open the door, let us go there? Is it possible? Or do you see Lionel Messi saying, I need the World Cup to crown me as the best player in the world? Don't you think he will express himself?
Against the wrong team.
That now Messi is now or never.
Against the wrong team. If it was like a Brazilian team or a Colombia or a Costa Rica, all well and good to the final, but against the Dutch team, you just said something. In Argentina 78, I was just a baby boy. I watched that game with keen interest. But the truth remains that the Dutch knows what they want, and they're going straight to the final to pick the trophy.
They knew what they wanted also, but they lost out.
It was a different ball game.
That's what I'm trying to make you understand.
Ball game too.
Okay, let me analyze Argentina up until the final. That first game against Iran, we all watched that game. Iran sat back and defended.
They struggled.
Calm down. Iran sat back and defended against Bosnia. Against Bosnia with their first game. The Bosnian team actually sat back. We were trying to hit them on the counter. Yes, they got a goal, but Argentina won that match 2-1. Now, that game against Iran, the Iranian team, everybody knew they actually came to the World Cup just come and pick up probably 3 points and go home and celebrate it. They defended against Argentina. And one way. Lionel Messi, like you said, worked his magic and they won the game. Against Nigeria, of course, our beloved country, the Nigerian team came out to play the Argentine guys, and actually they got 2 goals. So far, the only thing that has broken their scoreline.
What does that tell you? What does that tell about the Argentine defense?
Calm down. Let me
what does that tell you? That's my question.
When they came out to play Nigeria, and Nigeria came out to play them, but Argentina actually got 3 goals in that game. Why? Because they were able to exploit the gaping holes in the Nigerian defense. Now they moved on to Switzerland. Switzerland actually approached they used the same tactics that the Iranians used. They sat back. And this game actually went on and on to extra time. And Di Maria, from Lionel Messi assists again, they got the winning goal. They now play Belgium. Everybody, this Belgian team, they have firepower, they have this, they have that. The dark horses of the tournament, looking at the Fellaini, Mirallas, and then the Hazard and Co. For Christ's sakes, they were defeated again. See, this Argentine team has showed that
this is a football issue.
Let me make you understand.
Look, listen.
They want to win this World Cup.
Either you like it or not, this is a team that has struggled to get victory. We're talking about a team that has flair, a team that has panache. That's the Dutch team. Simple.
Panache, flair, and I've said it, they've gotten to the final.
Are you taking it?
And panache and flair, I don't help them get anything.
Tio, people said, what's his name? Louis van Gaal. Is the master tactician.
Okay.
Do you see him out tacticing?
And that is I won't call you. I won't say it's not possible. It is. But the same thing was said about Vincent Del Bosque. He lost 5-1. Yeah, to Van Gaal also. Same thing was said about Scolari, also a World Cup winner. And Joachim Löw, who I can also call a rookie coach because assistant to what's his name now? The Klinsmann in 2006. 7-1. It happens in football. So why can't Sabella actually out-tactics LVG?
The question is now why?
There's no possibility.
No, why can't he?
Why can't he?
The why here is that total football.
We are going to Abuja. Hello. Hello. Ibrahim, are you there? Hello, Ibrahim.
Today is for the Netherlands, not for Argentina.
Okay.
Argentina has no game today.
So it's for the Netherlands, not for Argentina.
And the Netherlands are going to come back to the Netherlands.
Okay. So you are saying it's all Europe final?
It's all European final, yes.
All right.
All European final, and Argentina will go home like Brazil went home yesterday.
Okay, and what do you think will be the scoreline?
This is an all European final issue.
Ibrahim, are you afraid?
Eh?
Are you afraid to tell us the scoreline?
No, there's no corner. Don't worry about the corner.
All right, thank you very much. Ibrahim says, don't worry about the scoreline.
win is a win.
He's seen the Dutch in the final.
You can't take away the Lionel Messi factor.
Lionel Messi factor.
Yes, he has completed more dribbles than anybody in this World Cup. His passes have
Shey
been on point.
Jenny.
Like, calm
Is that what
down,
you want to
calm
eat?
down. So far, this guy has
We've
taken them to
we've
the
seen
semi-finals.
players in
For
this
the
World
first
Cup
time
that the
in
teams
24
are
years.
built around, and after that player goes down, that's the end.
He talked- you're not going down so far.
He just talked about the Romero in goal for Argentina. The Dutch, they don't seem to have confidence in their goalkeeper to say this one will continue, the other one will move on. Maybe
One for penalty, one for regular game.
That's a tactical thing.
Yeah,
That's
right.
a tactical
It's a tactical
that shows,
thing. Yeah,
it's a
right.
tactical thing. That shows that the coach
Tactical.
knows what he's doing. It happens here. When we're having a particular competition, our coach took away Vicente Yama and
I
Paris
saw the Netherlands play against Chile.
All right.
Against,
Okay, don't worry. I'm sorry I cut you off.
Hello?
Hello, Frank.
Yeah, I'm fine, Makoka.
I know. How are you?
I'm fine.
So who goes to the final?
Netherlands, of course.
Netherlands, of course.
Yeah. Okay, my guy wants
Go on. Oh. Frank, don't worry, do call back. But you already told us it's Netherlands.
I saw the Dutch
Everybody's saying Netherlands.
Yeah, maybe probably.
There's no maybe.
EPL players we have in the
I told you from the onset, it is crystal clear.
I'm going to Manchester
No,
United.
This
this is not the Manchester United affair.
But Barcelona fans are also out there.
Yes.
Well, yeah, maybe they're not going to get through before like
Theophilus,
that's it, right?
Okay,
crystal clear.
let's look at the defense. You talked about the goalkeepers now. Let's look at the defense. You said they've conceded just 3 goals.
Yeah.
Is that the strongest part of
No,
of
it's
the
not.
team?
It's not their strongest part, but it's
But
one
how
of
good
the
is that
major.
defense?
Their defense is actually is a modest defense.
Okay.
They are so far considered just 3 goals in the tournament. They have Iroho in defense. They have Edi Michelis. They have Isabaleta and the Mascherano that plays for. They also drops back to assist these guys. Like you said, these guys they are known names in footballing world. We know what they're capable of doing. And on the good days, very difficult to go past them. And then in the midfield, looking at Lionel Messi playing from 10. He's just giving the passes, making distributions, dribbling players. This guy can change the game with just one dribble, with just one pass.
Theophilus, you said something when we were coming
with
in.
just one dribble, just
Hold on.
yeah,
You said something when we were coming in.
All right.
Fernandinho of Man City, for every game he comes in, they win.
Yeah.
What happened yesterday? They were humiliated.
Fernandinho
So all those names, Marcelino,
He
Sabella,
probably didn't eat what he was supposed to eat.
Harris,
he didn't eat.
He probably
Yes.
didn't eat.
let me ask you this. You look at Argentina, not just carrying the Argentine hope, but also the hope of the whole of South America.
Yes.
Are you saying they're going to disappoint a continent today?
You see, when you meet a better match,
Yeah.
you did not say anything.
And
Just like the Brazilians met a better match yesterday.
The Dutch has a better match.
No,
way.
Thiol, let's have it this way. He has just asked a question. The whole continent of the South American responsibility lies on Argentina. Probably some other time they could carry it. For now, it's a heavy load.
And then let me stay with you. The question I also asked him: where do you think is it the firepower of the Dutch? You said they play total football.
Yeah.
Or where do you think their strength